Yeah, we live from the side of the last of the four corners, just short of the northern international border. Was born a town upon the pond that all the people call the Sound. It's time to call him out, he's standing up or falling down. Saba dug inside a crate and Jake responded, he was on it. Reinterpreted the sample, canceled the opportunists on the corners, acting stupid, we plotting to take it back. The cry and the dedication on gentrification ad. No imitation of way back preservationist rap. We honor the past, mainly to move it toward the future. From fresh tracks to Emerald Street, it's the foundation. And Mr. Anthony Ray paved the way and now we chase. But they didn't have the patience to place it as a priority. Herds and haters never have served the great majority. Words will never capture the glory of our stories. Performing, but never forgetting who came before me in the north, west, north, west, north, west, north, west.
I'm from the city where it rains at, where we bring the pain at. Put you lame cats where the lanes at. We fly, we fresh, we hood. And in the northwest, Seattle jugs. I'm good with that nonsense. See, I'm on everything constant, so you better ask them who I'm is. The Lost City is the last one standing. We came through the fog, so the crown we demand.
The town is enhancing at the current date and time, and in a state of refinement, definitive way to climb when it's sink or swim. You wanna test us, better think again. Going hard till we reach the end, one day at a time. I just move faster, I just move forward, I just move past you. This is a new chapter from here on after. 206 North by Northwest, we had
I'm from the city of rain and we came to spit flame, but come equipped with many licks that could solicit your dame. I'm kinda sick with it, man. I'm from the city where you probably find them twisting a Jane. I keep it natural, that's the name. I love my town so damn much, I never change. But I will speak to you through rhythms and over melodies. Travel the Emerald City with visions that you'll never see. And clowns that front ain't worth my energy, so here's the remedy.
West, north, west, north, west, north, west.
Second, I was that kid on 23rd and Alder with the ghetto blaster. Got jacked, ran and told my mama. Came back, quarterback, playing Steve Large. Hit with lines that stay on your mind like Brian Bosworth. Heck no, it's the best coast. Since Vada was riding rays on the metro. One radio station, the real they're not playing it. We need Cube like we need to build another stadium. From shop to showbox to the spots that we playing at. We rock it like this, rock, turn it hella quickly. There really isn't anything that you can tell my city. The crowd's gonna be like, oh wow, that was hella filthy. I brought my shell toes with me. Long ass march, but the clientele's listening. Now while I'm at it, help throw in a backpack. Put the Northwest on the map, then go out, sell 50.
Anybody come test, north by northwest, and it's still no rest, cause we're not finished yet. We broke but not broken, cold but not frozen, lost but not forgotten. We kicking the doors open. Anybody come test, north by northwest, and it's still no rest, cause we're not finished yet. We broke but not broken, cold but not frozen, moving in slow motion. It's that Northwest classic.